what you do is when you have your model done, you go into the recommendations and you start recording design changes and understanding the relevance. So what is the percentage savings each improvement will have against the benchmark, right? So you can see for this example here, we have a list of different design changes that we can discuss with the design team. And for each design change, we have a percentage here. So this one is 3%. This one is not even 1%, 0.96. Well-ventilated refrigeration space, 1.7%. So you can see they vary significantly. We have low flow shower head, which will give you energy savings, but also water savings. So quite a significant savings. Lighting controls for your car park and common areas, both lux sensors and motion sensors, timers. So it's quite significant savings here as well. And then the solar PV towards the end. So this list gives you a lot of the tangibility. You know, when you're discussing project improvements or improvement strategies, it's quite easy to lose focus. And you have a lot of options. You don't know which ones you should target first. So this is useful for you to first model and quantify the improvement of each strategy, but then you can classify them, you can rank them, or you can just order them in order of highest savings. So you put the highest, the highest savings, the most relevant ones on top. So you go through them in more details, and if you've got time or resources, you can then discuss the other ones. The other interesting part about this is that you can run life cycle costing in combination with your environmental analysis. So you can just flick the indicator to cost. So you have here this LCI, this inventory that I'm using has the Australian dollars as an indicator. So you just flick the cost, and then you now understand the impact of your model on a financial basis. So that's useful for you as well to run your recommendations based on feedback, or sorry, on payback period. Okay, so now it's the savings, the monetary savings, the percentage savings in terms of dollar savings, life cycle savings. So then you can reshuffle these recommendations again, just the top ones there that will give you the best bang for your buck, best environmental savings per dollar spent. So in this case here, we should invest on lighting controls first, and then invest on low flow shower heads, followed by solar PV. So a very nice way to give more tangibility to help you convince your client or support their decision-making process. Okay.